We're going in Quartz, which is the store like they have back home, like Kmart. And he just bought a wash machine. And she's carrying something on her head. Pretty good. Let's see what they have. Okay. All kinds of good stuff in here. Is that a lottery? Interesting. Stuff. Where's the juicers? Which one? This one? Yeah.
What are we doing?
Taking videos.
No, shopping?
Tell all the people back home.
Stop that.